In this video, I discussed the two-stroke diesel engines. So in the last video, I explained the two-stroke petrol engines. So if you understand the two-stroke petrol engine, then it is very easy to understand the two-stroke diesel engine for you. So the constructions of the diesel engine is similar to the two-stroke petrol engine, okay, except the fuel pump and the fuel injectors are there instead of carburetors and spark plug as in the petrol engines. Means in a petrol engine we use the carburetors and the spark plugs. Okay, so these spark plug and carburetors are replaced by the fuel pump and the fuel injectors. Means there is a one diesel pump is there and one fuel injector that spray the diesel inside the cylinder, that is called as the fuel injectors. The working of diesel engine is similar to two-stroke petrol engine except that only air is supplied into a crankcase in a case of diesel engine, and the diesel fuel is injected at the end of compression of the air. Means in a petrol engine we supply the mixture of air and petrol, okay, through the inlet ports, and then this mixture of air and petrol is supplied into the crankcase. But in diesel engine we only supplied the air in a crankcase of the diesel engines, okay, and the diesel are sprayed at the end of compression strokes. In a petrol engine, at the end of compression stroke, the spark is provided by the spark plugs. Now first we understand the first stroke. It is the two-stroke engine. Means it is the two stroke is occur, one from TDC to BDC and another from the BDC to TDC, and during the two stroke, one stroke is power stroke and all the four process are completed in a just two stroke, that is suction, compression, expansions and exhaust are completed just in a two strokes. Now at the beginning of the first stroke, piston is at the TDC as shown in this figure A. So here you see this is the figure A, this is the cylinder, this is the cylinder head. On the cylinder head fuel injector is provided. On a one side of the cylinder inlet port is there and exhaust port is there, and this is part is known as the crankcase. And here you see it is the transport ports. This is the piston, this is the connecting rod, crank, and the crankshaft is there. So at the starting of first stroke, piston is on the top dead centers, okay, and above the piston and the crankcase, the area above the pistons and the cylinder head, it is known as the combustion chambers. Piston moves from TDC to BDC. That's why we need to draw this downward arrow. So piston is moving from TDC to BDC. At the TDC, piston is at the end of compressions. Okay. So when the piston is earlier moving from TDC to BDC, this air is compressed. Okay. So when the piston is at TDC, the compressed air is available in a combustion chambers. Okay. So the compressed air will attain the temperature higher than the self-ignition temperatures of the diesels. Means here the temperature of the air is higher than the self-ignition temperatures of the diesels. So when we spray the diesels, it is automatically ignited. Okay. In a petrol engine, we require the spark. Okay. That's why we use the spark plug. But in that case, the diesel is self-ignites in a compressed air because the compressed air temperatures are the higher than the self-ignition temperatures of the diesels. The injector inject a meter quantity of air. The injector inject the meter quantity of the diesels into the cylinders as a fine spray. So here fuel injector is supplied the diesels in a form of fine spray. As the diesel is injected, it auto ignites and the combustion is start. So combustion of the diesels will release the hot gases which increase the pressure and temperature in the cylinder. So here the temperatures and the pressures are increased inside the cylinders due to the combustions of the diesel. Before moving ahead, I request to like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to IC engine as well as from the basic mechanical elements of mechanical and other subject of the mechanical engineering. For that, I request to visit the playlist, and for the IC engines, the various link is provided in the descriptions. The piston perform the power stroke, okay, because when the combustion is occur and piston move from the TDC to BDC, at that time the some power is produced by the engines. So this stroke is known as the power stroke till it uncover the exhaust port as shown in these figures. Okay, means at the initially piston is at top dead center. When the high pressure and temperature gas is created, the piston is start to move downwards. Okay, when this exhaust port is open, the power stroke is over. Okay, because when the piston is below this exhaust port, the combustion of the gas means burn gas is start to remove through exhaust port into the atmosphere. The hot gas have slightly higher pressure than the atmosphere. Due to this pressure difference of burn gases come out from the exhaust port, means this exhaust port is connected with silencers, okay, and the silencer is connected to atmospheres. So pressure at the outlet of silencer and inside the cylinders are different. So due to this pressure difference, the burn gases is removed from the cylinder to the atmospheres. The top edge of the piston uncovered the transport port as shown in this figure B. The air flow from the crankcase into the cylinders through the transport ports. Now, further when the piston is moved downwards, you see here the transport port is open. And when this transport port is open, the air present inside the crankcase is start to transfer into these cylinders. Okay, so here you see it is a small dot is there. So this is the fresh air is there and this is the exhaust gas is there. The fresh air entering the cylinder push the burn gases. Okay, means this fresh air is pushed these burn gases. So burn gases come out from the exhaust port as shown in this figure. The pushing out of these exhaust gases is called the scavenging, and this will continue till the piston covers both the exhaust and the transport ports during the next upper strokes. Means this scavenging process is continue up to which limit? When the piston is returned from BDC to TDC and it is cover both the exhaust port as well as this transport ports. Okay, so piston when move in upper direction, it cover exhaust port and transport ports. Scavenging process is stopped, and this scavenging process is continues near to the 70 degree of the rotation of the crankshafts. Now we study the second strokes. In a second stroke, the piston is moved from the bottom dead centers to the top dead centers. When it covers the transport port as shown in this figure. Okay, let us see here the figure number C. Okay, so here you see the piston is moving from bottom dead to top dead center, so we draw the upper arrow. Okay, so first it's cover the transport ports as shown in this figure. What happened when it covered the transport ports? The supply of air is stopped. Okay, means the air from the crankcase is supplied to the cylinder is stopped because this transport port is closed. Then when it move further up, means further slide moment of the piston in upper directions, it covers this exhaust port. Okay, and completely shown in this figure D. So here in this figure you see the exhaust port is also closed, means scavenging process is stopped. Further upward motions of the piston will compress the air in the cylinder, means when the piston is moving further upwards towards the TDC, this compressed air presence in the cylinder is start to compress, and it is compressed, its pressure and temperature is increased. After piston reach the TDC, the first stroke repeats again. Okay, so how this air is inlet in this crankcase? When the piston is moving from bottom dead to top dead centers, the intake port is opens and the fresh air from the atmosphere is enter into the crankcase. And earlier we already studied when it is the transfer to the cylinder from the transport ports. Okay, so this way the continuous process is or a continuous cycle is run by using this different process. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned and like the video, comment on the video, share with your friends and subscribe the channels for watching the more video.